Have you ever heard of people making $1,000 a day online, without coding, without employees, and without massive startups? What if I told you that they're not selling courses, not doing affiliate marketing, and not even running agencies? They're building something smaller, something called Micro-SaaS. And when you combine Micro-SaaS with AI automation, that S when the magic happens, that S when ordinary people start creating extraordinary income streams, small software products that run 24/7, make money while they sleep, and can be built by anyone with the right idea and tools. So today, I am going to show you how AI-powered Micro-SaaS is creating a new wave of solo entrepreneurs, and how you can join them, even if you've never written a single line of code. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Micro-SaaS is, why it is exploding in 2025, and how you can use AI tools to build one that earns $1,000 per day or more. Let's dive in. What exactly is Micro-SaaS? Micro-SaaS stands for Micro Software as a Service. In simple words, it is a small software business built by one person or a tiny team that solves one specific problem really well. Think of it like this. Instead of building a giant platform like Shopify or Slack, you build a small tool that adds value to those platforms. Maybe it automates invoices, helps users track analytics, or sends personalized emails using AI. It's small but powerful, focused but scalable. Micro-SaaS products don't need investors. They don't need offices. They don't even need a big marketing budget. They grow quietly, profitably, and can bring in anywhere from $3,000 to $30,000 a month with almost zero overhead. But here's what's new. AI is supercharging this model. Why AI is the ultimate power-up for Micro-SaaS. Before AI, you needed a developer, a designer, and months of coding to build your MVP, your minimum viable product. Now, with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Bubble, Glide, and Make, you can literally build your entire product with automations, APIs, and user logins in a week. AI doesn't just make it faster, it makes it smarter. For example, imagine you're building a customer feedback app. You can now integrate AI to automatically analyze reviews, summarize user sentiment, and even generate improvement suggestions, all on autopilot. So instead of a static app, you have an intelligent assistant, and that's what customers are paying for. That's why AI-powered Micro-SaaS apps are dominating. They don't just do tasks, they think for the user. And users love that. The rise of the AI Micro-SaaS movement. Across Twitter, Reddit, and indie hackers, you'll find thousands of solopreneurs quietly making $5,000, $10,000, even $30,000 a month, all from AI-powered Micro-SaaS tools. These aren't huge companies, they reach people like you and me, using AI tools to automate 80% of the work. Let me give you a few real examples. One guy built a tool that uses OpenAI to automatically write cold emails for sales teams. He charges $49 a month and has over 600 users. That's nearly $30,000 a month from an app he built using no-code tools. Another founder built an AI video script generator. It takes a product name and turns it into a ready-to-read YouTube script in 30 seconds. He built it on Bubble, integrated GPT-4 API, and within 3 months, crossed $10,000 a month. These small, focused ideas, powered by AI, are reshaping the online business world. The $1,000 day formula. Let's talk numbers. To make $1,000 a day, that's $30,000 a month. And here's the secret. You don't need thousands of users. If your Micro-SaaS charges $30 a month, you only need 1,000 customers. If it charges $50 a month, you need just 600 users. That's it. The real magic is recurring revenue. Once a user subscribes, they keep paying every month. You're not chasing new sales every day, you're stacking income over time. And since AI automates support, writing, and even updates, your workload stays small while your profits grow. That's how solo founders hit $1,000 per day, not by luck, but by leveraging compounding revenue. Finding your AI-powered Micro-SaaS idea. Now, let's talk about ideas, because this is where most people get stuck. The good news? You don't need a billion-dollar idea, just a useful one. Here's a framework -1. Find a pain point. Go where people complain: Reddit, Product Hunt, indie hackers, or even YouTube comments. When people say, "I wish there was a tool for this," that's your gold. 2. Validate fast. Before you build, post your idea in forums or LinkedIn groups. Ask, would this tool save you time or money? If people say yes, you're ready. 3. Build the MVP using AI plus no code. Use tools like Bubble for web apps, Glide for mobile, and Make for automations. Use ChatGPT or Claude for smart logic, like text analysis or report generation. 4. Add a killer use case. Don't just say AI-powered. Show how it helps. Example: this tool saves marketers 5 hours a week. That's how you sell value. Examples of AI micro-SaaS you can build today. Let me give you 5 proven ideas that are already working. 1. AI resume enhancer. Users upload resumes, and AI rewrites them based on job descriptions. Easy to build, huge demand. 2. YouTube Script Assistant, an AI tool that generates video scripts, titles, and descriptions. Great for creators and marketers. 3. E-commerce Review Analyzer. Pulls reviews from Shopify or Amazon, summarizes insights, and gives improvement tips. 4. AI Customer Support Dashboard. Uses GPT to answer facts, generate responses, and learn from user feedback. 5. Niche Report Generator. For example, AI tool that creates a complete market report for startups using public data. All of these can be built using Bubble plus OpenAI API plus Stripe for payments. You don't need coding, just creativity. Building your brand and getting users once you've built your MVP. The next step is marketing, and trust me, this is where most people overcomplicate things. You don't need paid ads to start. You need trust and visibility. Start by sharing your journey. Post updates on Twitter or LinkedIn. Just launched my first AI tool built with no code. People love following builders. Show progress, share struggles, and give value. Your audience will grow naturally. Then, launch on platforms like Product Hunt and Reddit SaaS. These communities love new AI tools and can give you your first 100 users overnight. Use email tools like Beehive or ConvertKit to stay in touch with users, send updates, get feedback, and upsell. Automating and scaling to $1,000 a day. Here's where the AI advantage shines. You can automate nearly everything. Use Zapier or Make to handle customer onboarding. Use Notion AI for content updates. Use ChatGPT for auto support or blog writing. Use Stripe plus Airtable for payment tracking. Your micro-SaaS becomes a machine running almost by itself. And once you've got 100 users, focus on improving retention. Because keeping 100 happy users is better than constantly chasing 1,000 new ones. Once retention is solid, scale your pricing and add features that justify premium tiers. For example, introduce team plans, analytics dashboards, or AI personalization. This is how micro-SaaS founders scale from $3,000 to $30,000 a month without hiring. Why most people never start? Here's the truth. Most people overthink. They wait for the perfect idea, the perfect time, or the perfect skills. But perfection kills progress. The secret is to start small and learn fast. Build something in one weekend, launch it, get feedback, and improve. Every successful micro-SaaS founder started from confusion. They just didn't stop. They built, learned, and built again. Remember, it's not about being first. It's about being consistent. The future of an AI-powered micro-SaaS. Here's where things get crazy. AI is evolving into autonomous agents, tools that act on their own, not just respond. Imagine a micro-SaaS that doesn't just analyze user data, it automatically writes and sends follow-up emails to improve customer engagement. that's where we're headed. In 2025, Micro-SaaS plus AI equals digital employees that work 24/7 for their founders, and if you start now, you're early. Final thoughts: the $1,000 day secret isn't about luck, it's about leverage. Leverage AI to build smarter. Leverage no code to build faster. Leverage consistency to win longer. Anyone, literally anyone, can build a profitable micro-SaaS this year. You don't need coding. You don't need funding. You just need one problem worth solving and the courage to start. So, what are you waiting for? Open your laptop, pick one AI tool, and build your MVP this week. Because the next wave of micro-SaaS founders will be the creators who started today. And if you want to learn exactly which tools to use and how to scale from $0 to $10,000 per month, check the link in the description for step-by-step resources. Follow for more, because this is just the beginning of the AI-powered micro-SaaS revolution.